Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm going to open some Happy Mail from Citrus Choice Kits. And here is the kit to kit of July 2023 of the Life Crafted collection. You can find these printables online. I'm going to have them linked below. And then we also get some other really cute items. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, so this is from the Sunshine Kit. And I already love the colors. This is so cute. So we have the ephemera pack. And these are the ephemera inside. Love the oranges and the flowers. Really cute. Perfect for summer. And I love some little word stickers. Love these colors. And this is chipboard. Also love these. This is very in a creative bubble. Pink Fresh Studio sort of vibe. I love these. So started strong. Okay, this is just the box. I'm going to move it to the side. And we have some die cuts. Summer Breeze. Makes me feel fun. So cute and so retro. Okay, I think I can take these out like these. Okay, there's nothing here. Nope. Okay. So here we have the cut aparts. Really cute. We got labels, frames, some borders. I'm gonna call them pattern strips. Pretty sure that sometimes people go for washi strips. And I forgot to turn on this light. And here we have the papers. Let's go with the papers first. We always have 3x8 elements or cards. I love this one. It's so cute for like a title. I haven't been everywhere, but it's here. But here's my list. That's really cool. Love these flowers and the colors. Love this pattern. Perfect squares. This looks like ice cream, like creamsicle. Oh, I love this. Polka dots. Absolutely love this. And I would turn a bunch of these into journaling cards. Love this. So cute too. This could be like a 4x6, or if you made it smaller, fix the ratio a little bit. Love these little houses to like document days out. Flowers. I love them. Super cute. And these are the cut aparts. Just gonna put them on a piece of paper. Picnic, happy camper. Oh, I love these frames. I used to be obsessed with the frames from Simple Stories. I think that's coming back. There's a trend of that coming back. And the new collections are out. Simple Stories did a solid job. Everything they released was gorgeous. American Crafts, I haven't seen many items. I saw Shimel's and a few tools from We Are Memory Keepers. Love these colors. just more of the same die cuts. This was really fun, so I'm going to start working with this now to make a layout. I have some ideas. I have to finish my 2020 album, so I can look through those and use. Oh my god, I almost forgot the journaling cards, which I'm gonna do Project Life, which is what I mostly do, and not show the cards. That's just wrong. Love the flowers by the water. Okay, I'm so sorry if you can't hear that. A walk in the woods is good for the soul. On the road. Oh, I love this one. It's so cute. On the road. Going places. Oh, look, it's already done for you. You don't need to do it. But I love that. You can put the week, whatever here, and then stamp the dates. That would be really awesome. So I love this collection. I love the colors and the elements. I love these extras from the Sunshine collection, and I can't wait to use them all. Let me know what was your favorite item. I think this one is my favorite from the whole Happy Mail package. So let me know which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye!